Hello, welcome to Maintenance with Matt. My name is Matt Ryan from Ryan Automall. I've put together a series of short videos to help you maintain your vehicle at home. I believe a minute of maintenance can save you hours of heartache. Today we're going to take a look under your hood and check your power steering fluid. Check your owner's manual first to see if your vehicle has power steering fluid. Increasingly, manufacturers are fitting electric power steering, so then there's no fluid to be checked. Look for the reservoir with the picture of the steering wheel on it. It looks like a circle with hands at 10 and 2. When the engine is hot, it should be at the maximum line. When the engine is cold, it should be between the minimum and maximum on the bottle or the dipstick. When adding fluid, you want to make sure that you clean off the cap to make sure you don't get any contaminants in the fluid. And you want to check your owner's manual for the fluid that you should be using. You don't want to be without power steering, so if you suspect there's a leak or there's some unusual noise coming from your power steering system, make sure to call your trusted repair facility. That's today's Minute of Maintenance with Matt. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like more tips, just hit the subscribe button.